and welcome to the DRWNS, the Duluth Red Wing and Southern. And we're coming to you with a new episode of the Clay Train. Clay Train is because this is the train that picked up the clay from the clay pits to make the pottery. Like you could see on my old show, I showed a picture of that in the sewer pipe. But all of that went south when my Mini Mac died. Good news though is with Black Friday I was able to order a new Mini Mac M4 and a nice expansion thing for bigger hard drives so it won't burn this one out. So that's on the way as we speak. It'll probably be here when this actually airs. It's supposed to come tomorrow, but stuff happens, and so no trains. No, I'm not showing any trains or music in the beginning because this is like a one-take show. So kind of like I'm doing it live. So that's why I got a weird camera position to start it. So welcome, and hope you hang in there until we get all our production stuff figured out. But I thought I'd give you more of an update on the Clay Train and where we're at. This will be a little shorter than the usual one because I don't have the luxury of cutting the clips and doing the same. And I'm doing it just off my laptop to get shows up there so there's nothing missing. So I did recover one of the pictures, the little first logo. You'll see it on the screenshot that'll be there. I did recover that, but a lot of the pictures I had were on that other computer and I lost them. But I'll be able to look them up because I know where I found them. All my music and little header things I had were all lost in the files because I found out that my old Mini Mac, the hard drive was actually built into the board, so that heated everything up. That I'm not sure if the motherboard chip separated from the board or if it was just power. The guy said he could smell like the power supply burned out, but I think it had more troubles because I had it a few times where it kicked off, and that was probably the power supply getting flaky. But anyways, it burned up because he said, yeah, you can smell it in there. So one of these days I'm going to try to take it apart and actually see what burned up. I gotta get my smaller little computer screwdrivers because they got all kinds of weird hex, really teeny tiny screws to pull out of there in order to just open it up. But the good news is I'm getting a faster, bigger. The hard drives will come probably on Cyber Monday because I need to buy those. But at least I got the new computer and a case to hold it in, and I'll show you all that on another show. So anyways, I was still playing around with the tracks, as you can see down there. I'm just going to lay those out. I didn't get, because I'm ordering computers, I didn't get any more of the Flex Track order. I did get my thing repaired here from the last show. And I'm going to do these curves with these fixed tracks. And then everything else will be the Flex Tracks. So I got to figure all that out. So I started laying stuff out, as you can see. And I did find a piece of foam to put in here, right here for that cliff to be a little more stable. So kind of more just in the planning of the track plans. I'm definitely not gonna do this. This will probably look a little different, and I haven't figured that out yet because I'll probably put this switch further in here to do something different. But I'll take you along for that ride. This was actually the Rochester Regional Railroad, and I'm trying to adapt it for the Clay Train because this is already in. This is that lower level right there. So I got the clay banks will be right in here. The clay pot factory will actually be here, but we can do some other sidings like Good U and not Good U, but there was some other sidings with the ribbon clay train that were in here. This will be the downtown Red Wing because as you can see, I already cut out where the river's supposed to be. So we will be putting that together. This spur probably won't be in there like that, but we've got some decisions to make on that, but nothing that we can't handle by getting this done. So just an update on that, an update on we're moving right along. Had some wins with my little saw action on the other show, and but keep hanging in there watching. We'll get back to more serious trains. Let me know if you like a little shorter format, because I'm rebuilding everything after this, because I lost all my pictures, I lost all my music. That was all on that my M3, but nothing that can't be looked up and found again and rebuilt. And so we'll go from there once that all turns around. So I hope you enjoyed just this little update. Not really any work. Like I said, I was trying to get other things working, like the computer, and then my little blade for my saw came in for my fret cutting saw, and so I was fiddling around with that more. But we will get back at it. Supposedly Saturday my new computer comes in, so that'll keep us busy setting that up and getting that all running. I decided to remodel the studio. I figure if I say it on here, it's going to push me to really do it, because that way you guys can go, hey, I don't see any different. But I'm going to remodel the studio, do some reworking, rewiring, resetting it up, and I'll give you a tour of that when I do that. So that'll be the show for today. Thanks for understanding, and thanks for watching. We will be back at it next Saturday, so be sure to keep watching on Saturdays at noon to watch the DRW and S, I always get that wrong, the Duluth Red Wing and Southern Clay Train. And we will see you next week, same time on Saturday at 12, same bat station, and I hope you have a good weekend. We will talk to you later.